So what are your targets? Do you want to earn 290,000 for the year? Is it 500,000 for the year? Is it 1 million for the year? Is it 3 million to 5 million for the year? What is your target? Is it 10 million? Because we have different programs whereby we're helping organizations to get to multiple figures, for example. So 5-figure, 6-figure, 7-figure, 8-figure programs that we have. So what is your target? Because you've got to look at what it is that you want to earn for the company, but also look at who are your clients and where will you get them from. So what contract types are you looking to get? Now, I did discuss earlier about the types of contract types like NHS, care home, private sector, for example, do embassies, you can do schools. The list is endless. You want to create 12 types of contracts that you want to apply for, and then work to that in that 12-month period. Because if you've got a plan, you'll be able to then know what you're working towards, and then you'll have a stronger chance of getting that contract. And then you'll end up with multiple contracts in your year, the 12-month plan. You'll be looking at least getting, say, for example, 6 of those contracts. And it doesn't matter where. Some will be the charge that you would get as a company. Some of the rates will be less than what you would get for another type of contract, but it's all about volume, it's all about cost, and it's about creating multiple streams of income so that then creates a stronger benefit for the organization, and the staff members that you have will also be happy because they've got work. So you need to think about what type of contracts are you going to have. So create that 12-month list. Some of you may want to do 2 in 1 month. Apply for 2 contracts, especially if you've got multiple directors, then there's no reason why the other one can't look at applying as well. And I always say to people to do subcontracting. If you're just starting out, do some subcontracting, so that you can then get references for your organization to then be able to apply for bigger contracts, for example. So there's lots of organizations out there that have got contracts, been awarded contracts that you can look at approaching to do subcontracting with. And then they can then give you a reference so that when you apply for those big contracts, you can then say, I have delivered a service, I have provided staff members to an organization, for example, and what that type of work was that the staff member delivered, or maybe they're self-employed, it all depends. So think about the types of contracts you are according to where you are in your business, whether you're a beginner, whether you're in the middle, and whether you're in the higher